Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you for returning and happy Father's Day. Perfect shirt here today. Alright, so let's do this. So what I do is I use the raw humic acid. Alright guys, sorry it started raining so we had to move indoors. But I use the raw humic acid. I got this stuff online. It's made by NPK. It's a 004. It's soluble, very soluble. This pouch makes up to 800 gallons. I do, the instruction says 1/8 to 1/4 per gallon in reservoir for irrigation. So today I'm using the Chameleon. Will fill a jug, 1 gallon of water, add 1 teaspoon, right? Is that what that means? Yeah. So I got about a gallon of water here. Okay, so so I got the Miracle Grow little spoon. This one is a half, so we'll do 2 of these. Here's the stuff. Okay, so half. Do 2 of these per gallon. Okay. Doing a little experiment. Okay. Open the Chameleon. Pour the stuff in here. Nice, eh? Fill that up. I'm not gonna use, I usually do the bigger one. I'll use a cap full of the surfactant. You don't need to mix it, the water will do that for you. Cap it up. Alright, you guys want me to mix it? Okay, I got it. Mix it. And let's go to town. Sorry about the mess here, but you wanna, I extend kinda like the same idea with the fungicide. You know, you want to pull your hose out as far as you can and then just walk back. But we'll do that. And I walked too fast Sunday, Father's Day. I lowered down to 2. I do it especially in the walkway where the grass is. Works really good there. Alright guys, I'm gonna do the entire yard. I let this stuff sit on the leaves for a little bit while I'm doing the entire yard. It's cloudy today, we got rain on the forecast, but you do want to make sure you water this stuff down to the soil so it can get through the soil and work with the roots and, you know, help the uptake of nutrients and all that good stuff. You know, Father's Day, enjoy your day. But I'll keep you guys updated. If you're still here, thank you very much. Thank you guys for subscribing. You guys have a wonderful Father's Day. And if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe. Have a great weekend. a great week, and we'll see you next time. Bye.